Morning. This is the top of the morning to you, and we are officially hitting the road. We are starting our video a little late, but there's a lot of chaos going on in the car. Don't mind my sideburns. Didn't put on lotion yet, but yeah, man, you know, just out here driving through the fog. The fog right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm a new blogger. It's my first time. You may never even see this footage. This may not come out till I'm 60. Don't worry about what I got here. I'm just starting the introduction of my video. Now I gotta cut all that out because you kept talking.
Alright, go ahead, you two. Can you get it off?
Yeah, I got you. Just smile. You ready? 3, 2.
Sit on that end. What's up?
All the way down. You just need to take the stairs one level down to the glass where you take gaming lines over there. It's the only way for exit the building. So guys, welcome to the observation level. Enjoy the view and watch your steps. Sometimes the elevator move a little bit. Take the stairs one level down and take the elevators. The owl line is over there. And the glass.
My ears look really.
What do you think, babe?
Pretty.
Huh?
Pretty.
Yeah? I should just jump on it and see if it lets you go. Babe, come here. Come on.
Let's just put our shoes on. Come on.
Jacob, come on, get up.
Hey, put your shoe on.
That's insane. If you just look down.
Put your shoe on, Jake.
Wow.
This is awesome.
This is fun, man. No, you're good. Oh, yeah. Stay still.
We appreciate everyone being respectful of the privacy sitting areas. Thank you and enjoy your ride on the exciting four-wheel Niagara Funicular. Look around, as we are now entering Niagara Falls, sometimes referred to as the Great Gorge. The Niagara River, and now Niagara Falls as we know it, is a legacy of the last ice age, dating back close to 18,000 years ago, when the entire area was covered in ice sheets 2 to 3 kilometers thick. Over time, the Niagara Peninsula became free of ice, and through steady erosion of bedrock, Niagara Falls was created. Off in the distance, you'll see the Horseshoe Falls, also known as the Canadian Falls, the largest of the 3 waterfalls that collectively form Niagara Falls.
Thank you. I don't care.
Watch out for 1 minute. Let's take a picture of it.
We should have did that one. You're yellow. Me, Thor, leader of the free world, I command you to understand and baby Speedus, Seabiscuit. We fear no one. Run! How are you right now?
Super wet.
I can't wait.
Not in a good way.
Hey, she said she was super wet. Please don't.
Down, that's love.
Hold on to the wall, please. I want to take a picture that says "Free my guy." Free my homie. He ain't do nothing wrong. Mental issues. We have like Dunn's River Falls.
What?
That smell smells like salt water almost though.
Yeah.
Let's go to the other one. Can we go to the other one?
But he is.
Wall faces end here. Please go back. Yeah, we gotta go through that. Okay.
Yo, shook boy. Hey, look at him holding his mom hand
What
tight.
is that right there? That wasn't there before. No, it wasn't.
It wasn't.
It was not there.
Lori, go save us.
Going.
You're right.
It might be broke.
Yeah, you owe you $3.
Oh, okay.
You owe you $3. Didn't she owe you $3?
What are we getting on?
Oh, bro. Ferris wheel.
What's it called?
The wheel.
Niagara Sky Wheel.
Niagara Sky Wheel.
I think we're gonna spin all the way now.
I want to get to the top to make my mom get scared and then comfort her. And make her not feel scared.
Look at
Look
that.
at the volcano. The volcano's about to erupt. That's so cool. How are the falls lighting up like that?
This is what it looked like when you were afraid of heights. Down there, doing nothing. Somebody talking to her or the trash can? Oh, it's a trash can. Oh, somebody's bent over talking to her.
Oh, I see the logo.
Oh,
Oh, that looks good. Like that.
Oh, yeah.
where do you see her?